Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 21, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column B, we have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 5. 9th row, we have 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 8th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. Column I, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. Column C, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 1. Column F, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. Column G, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we will add here 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. Fourth row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Third row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column G, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.